I've been waiting for this one. Turn it up. This is for the Ellen DeGeneres show. This is going on Oprah, guys. Yeah, whatever. So I already have a podcast called Every Men's Soccer Game that I have to commentate where I talk about everything but men's soccer. One time I got a DM from a lacrosse player at WNE talking about my commentating, and he was trying to slide in on my commentating skills, and I said, thanks for being my #1 fan, and then I got left on red. If this thing makes me play bad, I'm unfollowing Gordon Athletics on Instagram. Whoa! I don't like that coach was looking when I did that either. Guess what? I'm very serious at practice. If I go to the bathroom and pee mic'd up, is it gonna record my pee stream? I want them to put it in. Next girl, ooh! I'd rather talk in my Jersey accent. You can't talk like this? I was thinking maybe I'll start talking my accent just to let myself relax a little bit because it helps ease me. Yeah. I'm mic'd up right now and I'm really nervous, so can you tell me I'm your favorite Gordon College athlete to make me feel better?
I can't have favorites, you know that. You're not my least
favorite. Can you tell me who the least favorite is? I'll tell them to cut it out.
Yeah.